Bonafide Hustler here. E-Money here. It's early in the morning. We're gonna go hit up some garage sales and we have a special guest. Stay tuned, let's go. We're sitting outside of a supermarket called HEB. We have them here in Texas, but you know, welcome to the video. My name is Chris, also known as the Bonafide Hustler. This is E-Money right here, my brother. And what we're gonna do today is we're gonna find some awesome deals at garage sales. So we're gonna be flipping used items. These items are gonna go to like eBay, Craigslist, you know, Facebook Marketplace, Amazon, Antique Booth, things like that. So we're waiting for a special guest, which should be a lot of fun. While we wait for our special guest, don't forget to pick up the free guide. It is down below. It's one of the links. You can check it out in the description, and I'll make sure that you guys get it. Let's see. I think he said he just pulled in. Cool. So the guest is here. Make sure you get that free guide, by the way. And let's get this guest in the hot seat. Front seat.
Right? Yep. All right.
Hot seat, man. What up, buddy?
How's it going, Chris?
It's good to see you.
Good to see you.
All right. So this is Jordan.
What up?
Do you care if we film?
No, it's all good.
That would suck so bad. All right, Jordan, so a little bit about yourself. Tell people on the camera real quick.
Yeah, so I'm working at Summer Moon Coffee as a barista. Started reselling maybe about 2 or 3 months ago. I'm really excited because I made my first 1,000 in sales just recently. So
really?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah,
that's cool. And he found my I think you found my channel on other channels, right?
Yeah, exactly. So
I was studying at the coffee shop, or that's what I call it, and he goes, "Oh my gosh, like you are the Bonafide Hustler. Like I bought some of your guides or something like that."
Yeah.
What are the chances, right? The coffee shop that I'm at a lot. How often do you see me down there?
Well, you come early morning, and I usually am not up that early, so
yeah.
But I've seen you quite a few times, so yeah.
I'm on the Dwayne Johnson grind. Basically a veteran showing a newbie to the game how garage sales on a Saturday morning can really up your game. So if you're excited to make your first 1,000, I mean, what we're gonna show you today, I mean, it's gonna be completely, I mean, it's invaluable. So we're gonna be going into garage sales. Hit the like button very early and put a comment down. Comment is when you first got started reselling, what was the first item that you resold? I want you to put that down below because I would love to read the responses, and he would love to read the responses too. I'm sure you're gonna watch this video.
Oh yeah.
So I'll make sure to get it out pretty quick, but let's go get to our first round of garage sales. We have 2 neighborhood-wide garage sales, maybe even 3. One has 52 homes, the other one probably has around 20 or so, and then there's a 7 a.m. garage sale that's pretty close. So I mean, I think with all that, and I put the 4-bike hit track thing on the truck today because I'm feeling pretty good about the day, and we'll see what happens. All right, so let's go to the first garage sale. So the very first garage sale, it is dark and dismal. Jordan's terrified, I can see this. He's too scared to make this money.
Yeah, I'm shaking in my boots.
We'll take a look at it. It's not much to really see right now, but we'll see if we can find anything. First garage sale, we didn't find anything there. We're gonna proceed to our second, and then it's gonna be, I think, madness. You'll see. Next garage sale's right here. It doesn't look very good, but we're gonna just check it out and see if we can find anything. We didn't find anything there, but the lady gave us a little cheddar cheat sheet.
Oh my gosh.
The crazy part is she is not as in tune as the Bonafide Hustler, and I got a better one. And I had to hunt around for this one. Spent like 10 minutes last night trying to hunt for that cheat sheet, and I found one. Anyway, so we're gonna go now into the madness, and I think I got spotted by the last person that was here that was walking around with all his friends. And I think I saw a little look in his eye like, ooh, that's the Bonafide Hustler. We better go fast. We better get out of here and go to the next one. So, yeah, we're about to go crush some serious garage sales here in a second. You'll see. All right, 30 minutes away from game time. We have the cheat sheet. E-Money's gonna attempt to route me through these little dots and everything. We're in the neighborhood right now. Think we'll find something good today?
Oh yeah.
Yeah? He was asking me all kinds of questions about, you know, the resale game, like, and I'm telling him basically, like, here in Austin, Texas, it's great. I mean, I'm doing it. I've been doing it for a long time. And he wants to jump on the bandwagon too, which is pretty cool. Yeah, it's fun. It is a lot of fun. Since there's so many garage sales today, we can afford to do drive-bys and stuff. So here's what a drive-by kind of looks like. Parking on the side here just for a second. I'm looking in that garage to see if there's anything really interesting that I am, you know, wanting to get. There's a camera bag on the table of something, and they're just staging, kind of, really at this point. There's a reseller right there. I know that guy. But that doesn't look like there's much, right, Emerson?
No.
I don't see much. All right, here's a garage sale that looks semi-interesting. We're gonna look at this one. Who knows?
From that garage sale over there.
That one over there. Got it.
No video game inside, but the guitar is spotless. So this was $5. When you find the game, I'm gonna pair everything all together and sell locally for $50.
Nice. I'm giving Jordan, he's scanning this sheet right here. So as I go through streets, he tells me if it's on there. E-money is on Bird's Eye, and he tells me if we're getting close to a certain pocket.
Yeah, go straight.
So yeah, they all have homework, and my job is to drive and hold the camera and vlog. So we each have something going on. See, Jordan thought it was gonna be all easy, like, you know, the Bonafide hustler. He thought he was gonna get away, like, oh, I'm just gonna learn all kinds of stuff.
Yeah.
I put this guy to work. All right, that garage sale right there, I got this Monopoly World War II, America's World War II edition for $5. And on Amazon, going to yield 65 after fees, so that's pretty good. It's like $60 in the green right there. I'm gonna put it in the truck, and yeah, pretty nice. Let's go to the next one. All right, there's a garage sale right here. I picked up something really cool for 15 bucks. I'll show it to you. The lady's talking to us, but I'll show it to you right now.
Yeah, right now, like they're picking out some like tent sets that we like to go to. We like to go to the big group.
Ooh, look at that. An Underwood typewriter, pretty cool. It's all rusted, but it's still a really cool looking piece. I think in my booth, I'll probably get $100 for it. From that garage sale over there, E-money's making some deals on some things. I found these Detto Pietro cycling shoes. They were $6. These are vintage ones, so pretty cool. And take a look right here on eBay. The vintage ones selling pretty good, so that's $6. And I hope to get about $60. So that's pretty good. I found those cycling shoes in E-money. What did you find?
All right, so I got all of these different golf putters. Got like a couple bullseyes, or like a bullseye and Odyssey. Some. This is purely an experiment. $35 for all of them.
So look for milled iron stuff.
Yeah, you look for milled iron. There's also like an older Nicholas golf set over there, but I had to look that one up because this guy obviously has a whole bunch. But like,
okay. All right. I don't know if there's a garage sale here or not, but I'm willing to bet there's one right here because there's so much commotion. There's got to be one here. There has to be. There is one. See. Is it good? Looks like a collector. There's a lot of boxes inside. I don't know. I'm passing that one up. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff in there, but it's all like neatly organized. No thanks. I'm looking for disorganization and deals. From that garage sale, E-money got
picked up this nice thing that's gonna go on a shelf for dead stuff.
Dead stuff shelf.
But,
$4.
Hey, if this does go in your booth, what would you ask? 30?
40 to 50.
Okay.
Pretty nice.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. So from that garage sale right there, Smooth Quill Ostrich Lucchese's, they're cherry colored. $15, should sell for 70 plus on eBay. Really nice condition. You can see the quills right there. Smooth quill, very nice. Jordan asked me a question like what part of town is the best part of town and all that kind of stuff. It's a really good question. And you want to go to the part of town, you want to go to the parts of towns that have, you know, how do I say it? You want to go to gentrified parts of town, right? So parts of town where the property taxes got super high, people got out and other people got in. You want that. And then you want to, I think it's good to be in parts of town where people have disposable income, and let's say the average median house income is maybe somewhere between 50 and 80 grand. So that part of town is good because those people have some disposable income that they can buy random stuff with, whether it be Bose speakers or an iPhone or Trek bicycles, those kind of things, you know. We have the luxury in this town to do drive-bys. And so we've done a lot today, right? Yeah. We've done so many. Yeah. And it's important. So we sit there and we kind of profile, it's kind of a bad word, but we kind of profile the people and see, you know, does this kind of match up with what we're looking for? And then we proceed forward. Maybe we'll get out of the truck, you know. All right, we're gonna get some coffee here in a second, but E-money's got an update on the golf clubs. All right, what do we got here? Or the putters?
Okay, so the TBD we have, there's a couple TaylorMades on here. These are gonna be a little bit cheaper side, but the ones that I do have, I have some white hots in here. These are like this. Yeah. Okay, I have one Scotty Palmer Bullseye. All in all, this $35 investment.
Scotty Palmer or Scotty Cameron?
Scotty Cameron, sorry, Scotty Cameron. Yeah. Bullseye, milled iron. But this $35 risk that I'm taking here is going to profit us. What do you think?
Probably 400, right?
On the lower end, I'm gonna say 450.
Wow.
Right in the middle, 500.
Damn.
Yeah.
Pretty good. Your money's gonna make some monies. Your money's big winning today. So we're gonna take you to a coffee shop.
Yeah.
This is weird.
I know, right?
You're gonna show them how to make. Thank you. Pretty cool. Like, I didn't know much about it. It's very highly rated in town too. We're gonna get our coffees here. We got our Doppios. We're in transit. These are the Doppios in transit. That's what it looks like. The Doppios are going through the space and time right now. We got our Doppios from Machine Head Coffee. So shout out to Machine Head. You can kind of see it right here, maybe. There you go. All right, let's try them out. Cheers, cheers, cheers. It's good.
Yeah.
You like it? So you're a barista. Is this decent?
Oh yeah, this is good. Oh man.
3 to me. 3 out of Doppio.
So the reason I slurp so loud is when you slurp, you want the kind of particles to hit all the areas of your tongue. So if you slurp super hard, you get that kind of spray on all of your taste buds.
This is why we have Jordan. This is why we have this guy in the car.
Oh man, that's good.
That's a little bit better.
Yeah.
So you slurp it, much like Japanese noodles and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Dang. Okay.
So you slurp, and then do you slurp,
awesome.
throw it back immediately, or you slurp it and you kind of wishy-washy?
Like spray it.
You could do either or.
Like a mist.
Yeah, exactly.
Dude, it's so good when you do that.
Man.
Learn something new today, guys. There we go. See, I see Jordan I see you multiple times a week, because I'm at that coffee shop all the time. But is this better than what you have?
It's better. Yeah, it's better.
It's all good though.
Yeah.
You might want to edit that part out.
No, it's okay. I mean, if it's better, it's better. It's not like he's in trouble, right?
Nah.
It's just better.
Yeah.
He might like it more. It's good.
I should have asked where the beans were from.
Oh, so like I threw this in the back of my throat, like in the top of my mouth, and there's like the receptors just fired off.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is good. There's a neighborhood right down the street that we're gonna check out to see if there's anything left for us, but it is 9:30 in the morning and 30 more minutes of garage sale. See if we can make.
What do you think we'll find there?
I don't know what we're gonna find there, E-Money, but if we find anything, I'll be so surprised, because I know that neighborhood got hit by all the resellers already. So
yeah,
if we find anything, it's just like a stroke of luck at this point. All right, there's sales all over this neighborhood. This one's got wheels. We got wheels and stuff. I gotta stop here. There's just too much crazy stuff here. Yeah, we're gonna stop here.
That's so random.
And it's got an F-150 with like a ton of ground like effects on it. Oh man, this is gonna be a good one. From that garage sale, got these chucks. They're pretty cool. Not like a special kind of theme, but neat looking. I'll put them in my booth for like 30. I bet you they'll sell for that. I would have spent $1 for them. And E-Money got.
Man, I got this awesome like martial arts thing. Teach you like kung fu, and I'll clean your fan.
Okay. Okay, E-Money.
But
Let's see. It looks like a boom mic.
Kind of does. Huh?
This is like a treasure trove of a garage sale. It looks really interesting. See all kinds of stuff, guitars. We'll see if we can get into some of this. Who knows?
What you got there?
All right, from that garage sale over there, popped on a Cascade R helmet. This is a lacrosse helmet. These are really awesome, and this one should sell for 80 to 120. No problem. Good colors too. Very good condition.
Curious, which guide is that in?
That's a good question. I don't know if it's in any guide, but it'll be in a guide soon.
Okay.
We have the Sportsmaster as well, a cooler right here, pretty nice, $5. So this should sell in my booth for around 50, I would think, something like that. So
nice.
Pretty nice, but this is probably the big winner of the garage sale. Pretty nice, love it.
Hey, are we done?
We're getting close, but I mean, there's still stuff in the neighborhood.
No, the answer is no, because there's a garage sale right there.
Oh, that one sucks.
Oh, okay.
All right, we're here at Taco Deli. So many people here. About to get some tacos. Decent hustling day, not the craziest, not the worst. Let's see what these tacos look like. Salsas, chips, more salsa. How is that? This coffee shop actually gets a Taco Deli every morning. And it's available first come, first serve, right? Very popular stuff over there.
The Molitos.
Yeah.
Heather's mine. Holy beans.
Look at that.
We're all good, so you guys still enjoy.
Thank you.
All right, these are all the tacos we have here. We're gonna chomp down. You ready?
Oh yeah.
Look at yours, man. They're crazy looking.
Oh man, can't wait.
Down in the comments, would you guys eat this stuff? Let me know. Look at all this. This is gorgeous. Okay, so we got done with those tacos. They were good. Did you have fun?
Excellent, yeah.
So basically, he was on the ride along to tag along to see how it all goes down with a garage sale veteran. Him being a newbie, he wanted to see how the times play out. He picked my brains a lot behind the scenes regarding all the things with this kind of thing that we call hustling. He asked about times, best times. I mean, he asked about times, golden hour, things like that. Just everything down to like strategy. Because it looks like you really want to make it work, right?
Oh yeah, for sure.
And one of your main things is like you just don't want to have a boss. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, no, I want to be my boss.
Yeah. So that's a common theme you see with people that get into this, even as a hobby, is they want to make extra money for something, and then those that take it to the next level just don't have to have a boss. Which I haven't had a boss in a long time, and I like it. But yeah, it's still not having a boss is its own kind of a problem in and of itself. But once you get to that level, I think it's a good problem to have. It was nice to have Jordan here. We'll probably see him on another video down the way to see how he's doing. But if you liked this video, you found some value in it, and you liked some of the finds that we got, then hit the like button down below and make sure you leave a comment. I would love to see it. I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye.